welcome you to our education interaction. Let's give you quick instructions on how to join the event. Register for the event on Hopin using the link received on either your email or on the website. Click on the Hopin link. Once you're on the Hopin platform, please perform the following steps. Step 1. Click on Register. Step 2. Fill out your first name, last name and email address and click on Register. Step 3. A thank you notification will pop up on your screen along with an email, which means you have successfully registered for the event. Step 4. Once this is done, you will receive an email on your registered email address from Hopin. Click on Add to Calendar to book a slot. Step 5. If you have missed out on marking your calendar, do not worry. We will send you an e-badge with the Hopin link on the registered email address a day prior to the event. Step 6. On the day of the event, click on the Hopin link and then click on Join Event. Now, let us give you a quick tour of all great features you can experience and how to navigate Hopin. Hopin will give you all the feels of a real-world venue and provide you with a fantastic expo experience without leaving your seat. Let us now further explore the platform. Step 1. Log into Hopin and click on Enter Event. You will enter the reception area where you will get all the information required to start exploring the platform. You also have the chat option available to you, where you can reach out to our hosts if you have any questions. Step 2. Head over to the stage and meet your host, who will be live throughout the event, providing you highlights of the day and different features of the event. Step 3. Escape into our sessions. We have planned some engaging and insightful live sessions lined up for you, conducted by industry experts. If you have any questions during the session, feel free to interact with the speaker through the chat option. Step 4. Connect with our universities, relationship managers, and our trusted partners in the expo area. Click on the booth of one of your shortlisted universities and then click on the blue button that reads "Click here to connect with the university." This will redirect you to the Zoom app, where you will be able to have a one-on-one session with the university. Please provide your name, mobile number, and registered email address in the chat when you meet the university moderator. To gain the best experience of our virtual event, try and use a laptop or a desktop if available. If not, you can also download the Hopin app on your Android and iOS device to join the event through your handset. Explore, engage, and enjoy your global ed journey with DC Global.